How to fix blurry email signature in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to fix your blurry email signature on Canva, here's what you need to do. So as you can see, I've downloaded some images of my blurry email signature. So if it's also blurry for you, which is not visible, and but when you try to zoom it, it's visible, then in that case what you want to do is just come back to your Canva application. You can, for now I'll simply customize this template because I don't have my personal email signature. So as you can see, you can easily upload your file from over here, which is your real signature if you have. So I've already created this one over here. So basically you just have to provide your design over here and just click on the share button, and once you import your design or email signature, just click on this download button to download, and make sure you have selected the PDF version. And you can also increase its resolution if you have a premium, and instead of using PNG, just make sure it's on PDF standard and just download it for free. So as you can see, currently I'm using this premium version, so I can't actually download it. So I could just show you from my example. I'll simply create a new one over here just like this. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, my original image which I showed you previously in photos, it has appeared over here. Now simply follow the same instruction which I said previously, that is to download it in a PDF standard format, and make sure you have select correct resolution and just click on download, and it will automatically download it. Now when you open it as a PDF, you can basically see open it as a PDF file. Now since we want it as an image, what you need to do is just open up your PDF file and simply screenshot. You can just take the screenshot. As you can see, the resolution and quality of the image has vastly increased. So now simply open up your PDF file and just open this application, that is snapping tool. Hope you already have downloaded that, and you can also search in for that application just like this, and click on new and just select the part for your email signature, and now simply save the image to your desired directory. So I'll simply select this file option over here and click on save as, and select on my desired directory, that is my desktop, and you can simply easily view the photo just like this, which is already in the highest quality just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.